Hey guys, we're working with a real estate agent today, and I wanted to show you guys what we're doing. So the house is going on the market. We came here. Owners are not here, but the realtors gave us access. And this is the first thing we see. We moved some of the furniture out here. We're gonna put this on sliders, but most importantly, this is what's alarmed me. I think everything else can look really decent. However, this is what really alarmed me. So we called them to see if they wanted a replacement because we also install carpets too, right? Not only carpets, but LVP floors, etc. So they said they contacted their client, and the client said, you know what, we don't want to put that money into it. Just do your best. So we charged them $350 to get this thing done, and we're seriously going to hope for the best and get this thing done. But I forewarned them that it's not going to be as pristine as the way I want, because certain things like this in past history has not come out too good, right? It gets better, but not the where I will want it, right? So that's why we opted to do the. All right, so we're done here in Sterling, Virginia. I would say, man, it came out really good. I think everybody's going to be really happy. Like I said, it's not going to be the level that I want it to be, but this is actually really, really nice. Hopefully they're happy. And already, I always tell my clients, customer service is everything. So if they have any issues, they should give me a call and we'll address it. But they were forewarned that this is going to be a tough job. They had an option to replace it, but I honestly, if they're just selling it, I think this is a go. Is a go. You know, and you never know. Some new home buyers may come in and rip out any new carpet that they put down too. So you just never know. But yeah, I'm completely ecstatic. Thank you guys for watching. Take care.